Are you struggling with the Praxis Core Reading 5713 exam, specifically focusing on the section on attitude and tone, author's purpose and tone? Well, I'm here to help you. Hi, I'm Selena, and I have 20 years of teaching experience, and I'm a test prep expert with study.com. Today's practice questions will give you practical examples of how descriptive language can reveal attitude, emotion, and mood in a text. Let's get started. 7th grade middle school students in an English class are reading a novel and can tell that the author of the story feels passionately about the topic. Through descriptive language, the author is able to convey their attitude on the subjects detailed in the text. What are the students identifying in the text? For this test-taking strategy, we are going to spot key phrases, such as feels passionately and attitude. These are emotional clues. A main idea is incorrect. This is what the text is mostly about, not how the author feels. B, focus. This is the specific topic the text is centered on, not the attitude toward it. D, theme. This is the big life lesson or message, not the author's emotional tone. The correct answer is C, tone. Tone is the attitude that the author or the speaker has in a text. This is how the author feels, and readers can convey this through word choice. Please take a moment to pause the video and read the passage. When the author talks about Thackeray and his book Vanity Fair, this is an example of A, allusion, B, mirage, C, conclusion, or D, allusion. We will work through the process of elimination. A, illusion, is a deceptive appearance or a false impression. The Thackeray reference is factual, not deceptive, so this doesn't fit. B, mirage, is a specific type of illusion caused by light refraction, usually seen in deserts or hot pavement. C, conclusion, is a final judgment or a closing statement of a piece of writing. The author is in the middle of making a point and simply bringing in an example, not wrapping up the argument. The correct answer is D, allusion. When an author references something or someone from outside the text, the author is alluding to something outside the text. A dark and gloomy setting, like a graveyard on a rainy winter evening, usually evokes a blank mood in the reader. A, buoyant, B, melancholic, C, bewildered, or D, calm. A, buoyant, means cheerful or lighthearted. C, bewildered, means puzzled or confused. D, calm, means peaceful. The correct answer is B, melancholic. A dark and gloomy setting in a graveyard on a rainy winter evening evokes a melancholic mood. The use of descriptive and precise language creates a vivid picture for the reader. The sun was bright and the sky was clear. Joan jogged down the path with Rex at her side and smiled about last night's victory. The tone of this excerpt can be best described as A, cheerful, B, wistful, C, mundane, or D, gloomy. A good test-taking strategy is looking at context clues that match the tone, such as bright, clear, smiled, and victory. B, wistful, means longing or yearning with a bit of sadness. C, mundane, means ordinary or boring. D, gloomy, means dark or depressing. The context clues bright, clear, smiled, and victory represent cheerful. So the correct answer is A, cheerful. Tone is conveyed through the author's use of language, including effective word choice. Thank you for joining me on some practice questions from the Praxis Core Reading 5713 exam, specifically focusing on the section on attitude and tone and author's purpose and tone. I hope you feel more confident on exam day. For more practice, check out our Praxis Core Reading 5713 playlist. And for even more detailed practice strategies and customizable study materials, head over to study.com and check out our Praxis Core Reading test prep course. Those who use study.com boast a 92% pass rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice questions, and short, targeted video lessons specifically developed on the latest test updates. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to get all the latest Praxis test updates. And please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and happy studying.